So, good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are all well and good, and you had started your preparation for your pre-board exam. Okay. In the chemistry part, we were discussing about the different periodic property of the different elements that are present in the different groups and periods. In the same continuation, today I am going to discuss a very important topic for you all, how to determine the groups and periods of the different element. See students, it is one of the most important topic because many questions that come from this topic, how to determine the different elements in the groups and periods, how to assign their group and period. Okay. So, two things we are aware that it is the period, that is this is the period, these are the period, and this is the group, it is the group. Then suppose it is asked, assign the period of chlorine, assign the period of chlorine and group also, to which period and group this chlorine belongs. Okay, it is asked about this chlorine, chlorine having the atomic number 17. It is asked to which group it belongs. So, for this group and period, we have to remember two things. The first and very important thing that we should to know before this assigning the group and period, its electronic configuration. It is electronic configuration. So, electronic configuration of any element like this chlorine, it is 2, 8 and 7. It is K cell, L cell and M cell. Okay. This is the electronic distribution of chlorine, 2, 8 and 7. It is written over here, it is 2, 8 and 7. After doing that, first of all, we will discuss about this, how to assign the period. If we will talk about this period, then number of cells that it contain, that will be its period number. What I told, number of cells, how many cells it forms, means its total electrons are distributed in how many cells, that will be their period number. Like here this chlorine, it is divided into 3 cells, K, L and M. Total cells are 3. This is the first cell, second cell and third cell. So, its period number will be, it will belong to third period. It will belong to third period. Chlorine is the member of third period. Okay, it is the member of third period. Similarly, sodium is also present here. That is the periodicity. Sodium should also belong to that same period. If we are discussing about the sodium having atomic number 11, so 2, 8 and 1. We just discussed the number of cells that will be present, it will be their its period number. So 1, 2, 3. So it is also the member of third period. So by doing so, we can assign the period of this particular element. Suppose it is asked assign the period of bromine, to which period it belongs. So its configuration is 2, 8, 18 and 7. Total number of cells it is forming, it is 4. So to which period it is going to belong? It is the member of fourth period along with this sodium. Sodium is also having the configuration of 2, 8, then 8, it is 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is the fourth period. They are the member of fourth period because they are having the 4 cells in which the different electrons are distribution. So it is the how we are going to assign the periods. Now second thing, to which group it is going to belong. Okay, to which group. So for this group, we for first and second, like it is 2 and 2, then it is magnesium, it is 12, then 2, 8 and 2. It is 2 and 1, 2, 8 and 1. So for that, first and second, for the first and second groups, what we can say, that the number of valence electron number of valence electrons, it will be the number of its group. Number of valence electron in a group for first group and second group. The number of valence electron is their group. If according to your syllabus, if any atom is having 1 electron or 2 electron, it will belong to first and second group. Like here, sodium, it is having 1 valence electron, so it is the group first. It is the member of first group. Similarly, potassium, it is also having 1 electron, so it is also the member of first group. If we will discuss about this beryllium and magnesium, how many valence electron it is having? This 2. Here also it is 2. So it is the member of this second group. Similarly, if we are going to discuss about this here, from here, because only first, second, then 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18 are the part of your syllabus. These are the members of your, these are the groups that we have to discuss in your syllabus. So it is the 13, like 2 and 5. Here it is 2 and 3, 2 and 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2, 8. Suppose it is asked boron, to which period it belong. Okay. So from here, boron, carbon, nitrogen and oxygen, fluorine and neon, means it is the first 2 groups. Then after, number of valence electron except these first and second group. What number of valence electrons plus 10? Means we have to add 10. Suppose we are going to discuss to which group this boron belongs. So it is having this 3 electrons in its valence shell. So we will add 10. So it will be 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. It is the member of 13th group. Here it is aluminium, 2, 8 and 3. Again it is having this 3 electron. So 3 plus 10, it is the member of 13th group. Carbon, it is 2 and 4. So we will add 10 here. So it will be the member of 14. Fluorine, it is having 7 valence electron. So we will add 7 plus 10. So it is the member of 17th group. Okay. So except the first and second group, 13th onwards up to 18, we have to add number of valence electron plus 10. That will be the number of period. Okay, students. So this was one of the important topic of your chapter, and that we had discussed. So try to practice this type of questions, because it is very important question that of your chapter 5. So revise all the different properties, that is the periodic properties of the different elements, groups and period, and how to assign the groups and periods. Okay, students. So revise. We will discuss our next topic in our next video class. Thank you.